I'm going to make cheese tteokbokki with deep fried seaweed roll, ghee sauce. And I'm going to put some cabbage, rice cake, fish cake, and water in it. And I'm going to deep fry the seaweed roll. But having tteokbokki with seaweed roll called Gimmalee is considered the ultimate combination in Korea. So it's literally seaweed roll, and then the inside is like a glass noodle. Green onions in it. Rice cake, fish cake, cabbage, and green onion in it. American cheese. Put some parsley on it. So some customers say it's really spicy. Koreans enjoy spicy food. Believe me, this is the authentic Korean way of tteokbokki.